Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Instapaper and Raindrop.io. One is built for distraction-free reading, the other is built for powerful organization and digital bookmarking. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your workflow and which one you should avoid. Let's get started. We start with Instapaper. Instapaper is one of the oldest and most established read it later apps out there. Its entire philosophy is simple. Save content now, read it later, without distractions. When you save an article into Instapaper, it strips away everything unnecessary, the ads, the pop-ups, the sidebars, and gives you a clean, almost Kindle-like reading experience. Think of it like turning the entire internet into a personal reading queue. So you can save articles from anywhere on the web, you can read them offline on your phone, on your tablet, or on your browser, and you can also highlight key passages and add notes. You can adjust fonts, spacing, and themes for comfort, and even listen to articles using text-to-speech. It's designed for people who don't want complexity. No fancy dashboards, no complicated organization systems. Just save, read, finish. Now let us talk about Raindrop.io, the digital library approach. If Instapaper is a reading app, Raindrop.io is more like a personal internet archive system. It doesn't just save articles, it saves everything. From articles, videos, to images, documents, websites, and even entire collections of content. Instead of a simple reading queue, Raindrop gives you a visual library of your entire internet life. So instead of just read later, it becomes save everything and organize it forever. It's powerful, but it's also a bit more complex. So let's talk about the main features of both platforms. We start with Instapaper. Instapaper focuses on reading, offering the following features: offline reading supports, clean distraction-free layouts, highlighting and notes, also text-to-speech for listening, Kindle integration, which is in the premium plans, and simple syncing across devices. Everything is designed to help you consume content faster and better. No distractions, no clutter. How about the features of Raindrop.io? Raindrop is more of a productivity powerhouse. With Raindrop, you can save unlimited bookmarks, you can organize with collections and tags, you have a full text search, there's visual preview of saved links, there's cross-device syncing, there's collaboration and shared collections, you can archive saved pages permanently, and there's browser extensions for quick saving. And recently, he even added smart AI tools to help organize bookmarks automatically. So instead of just reading content, you're actually building a personal knowledge system. Now, what is the pricing like? Instapaper offers a freemium model. There is the free plan, which has the basic reading features, and there's a premium plan, which costs $5.99 per month or $59.99 per year. And for Raindrop, there's the free plan as well, which costs nothing with the basic features, and there's a pro plan at $30 per year. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of each. First, the pros. For Instapaper, it has an extremely clean reading experience, excellent offline reading, it is great for focus and distraction-free consumption, it is simple and fast. And the pros of Raindrop: has a beautiful and modern interface, powerful organization system, it works across all platforms, and it is great for long-term content storage. It's flexible for both casual and powerful users. How about the cons? For Instapaper, it has a somewhat weak organization system, and there are fewer modern features. For Raindrop, the cons: it is not as polished for reading experience, and it can feel overwhelming at first. Then offline reading is not its strongest point. So which one is actually worth your time? It really depends on how you consume information. If you're someone who reads a lot of articles, you want a distraction-free environment, you prefer simplicity over complexity, and you just want to save and read later, then Instapaper is still one of the best tools out there. But if you're someone who saves content from everywhere, you want to organize knowledge long-term, you like tagging, searching, and structuring information, or you're building a personal knowledge system, then Raindrop.io is clearly more powerful. And that's it on the comparison of Instapaper and Raindrop. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Readwise Reader, Pocket, and Wallabag. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.